What is up guys, my name is Joey or Absurd, and today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to get your own Gran Turismo Sport decals within the game. You're going to need three things. One, you're going to need to download Inkscape. Two, you're going to need to go to this website called Online Convert. And three, you're going to need the Gran Turismo Sport website. Now to start off with, we're going to go to the Online Convert website, click on Image Converter and click Convert to SVG. You're going to upload the file that you want to do, so I'm going to go with my Instagram sticker. We don't need to worry about any of the details here, you just need to click Convert File. There we go. Now once that has been downloaded, we're going to open it up in Inkscape. I already set my SVG files to open with Inkscape, so we're going to double click it. And here it is. Then we're going to go to File and click Document Properties, change the units to pixels, change the width to 64 and the height to 64, take off Show Border Shadow and click X. Now we need to get this sticker or logo within that square there. So I'm going to hold Control Shift, click the corner and drag it down, then move it across. Control mouse scroll inwards to the little square. Control Shift, scale it down again, center it, scale it up just so we're close to the edges, and that's about okay. So next thing you're going to want to do is hold Shift Control S. Now we're going to be in the, going to go and save it wherever you want to save it. I'm going to save it in my Gran Turismo Sport decals, and I'm going to save this one as test. Before you save it, click on Save as Type down here and click on Plain SVG. Then you're going to click Save. Then you can close out of Inkscape and get rid of that. Next, go to the Gran Turismo website, click on the upload area or drag and drop your user decal, find where you saved it. I'm going to find mine here and click Test and click Open. Now you've got to make sure your files are under 15 kilobytes. You can check this when you save it, as it may come up there, or you can right click Properties and in general it should say it there. And obviously check it when you've done the Inkscape thing, just in case. Obviously mine is really far in the clear. Then the next thing we want to do is click Start Upload, click Accept on the information, and click OK. And there you go, the sticker has been uploaded. Now when you come onto Gran Turismo, go down to the livery editor, find a car that you want to do on. I'm going to just, go for example a GTR. And then when you click on decal, go over to add layer, click left or wherever you want to put it, and go up to user decals, and you should be able to find it there. So as you can see, there's test, and it goes right onto the car, and you can scale it up and do whatever with it, including change colours, do whatever you really want to do with it. So yeah, that's how you get your own stickers within Gran Turismo Sport. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out. Peace.